Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can make $100 extra a month. If this strikes like something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. You can actually become an Amazon on-site influencer. Yes, have you heard about the Amazon on-site influencer program? Guys, these are the requirements. You need to have social media pages, accounts, and then get approved as an influencer with them, and then you need to submit 3 review videos, yes, to get approved for on-site. After you have been approved, you can upload any videos, yes, videos of any product that is on Amazon. Guys, it will be placed on the products page. You can just go into your house and find out certain things that you purchase from Amazon. I'll give you an example. This flower is from Amazon. My flower vase, let me see if I can lift it. My flower vase is from Amazon. Just pick something randomly from your home and make videos on them. Yes, that's how you do it. You don't need to start going to buy new stuff. No, you can pick up stuffs randomly that you have and start making videos of them. That's just an example. And you know what? It will be placed on the products page, and then you will earn commissions from that product. And since Amazon uses cookies, you can also get commissions from the products that the person ended up buying. Yes, if it was similar to your products and they didn't. But I'm telling you, that's the high level, and you can make good money from these videos. If you have any products to sell, if you have any products that you like, you can also create copy links. Yes, you can just copy links and share with your audience. Yes, even if you do not buy them. Guys, there are lots of ways to actually make money, to cash out from Amazon affiliate marketing. So guys, but you need to know that you have to go through 2 approvals. Yes, but once you're in, that is great. One thing that you might also consider is creating a side hustle that leverages skills or knowledge that you already have. For example, a lot of people find success with courses, online courses, digital products, or even offering services like consulting or coaching. It can be a little bit overwhelming to start, but you can break it down. So even if it's a bit overwhelming to start, you can break it down into manageable steps. Yes, that can make it easier. And there are platforms out there that can help you host and sell these courses or your offerings in a simple way, and even help you integrate them into your social media profiles. There's something called Linktree. Yes, you can use that to insert all of the links to your websites, the links. So guys, this is a way, to start earning that extra $1,000, $2,000 a month that you are aiming for. Guys, you're on your way to financial freedom. You can also get into the digital marketing space, yes, through maybe copywriting, high ticket closing, or even affiliate marketing. These skills pay so well. I know someone that went from being a janitor, yes, making $30,000 every year, to making $90,000 in her first year, and then $190,000 in her second year. Guys, it is possible if you put in the work. And here is the secret: just find something that you love to do. Figure out something that excites you and what kind of environment and people make you happy. Then go ahead and research people that are making great money doing what you love. Study them, find out how they got there. Contact them and ask them to help you. People that are highly successful love to help other people, because the same way you're asking for help, they also received help, and they love to pay it forward. Guys, do you know that you can also make money from TikTok? Yeah, there are lots of ways to actually monetize your TikTok page that a lot of people are not talking about. You can create wealth, yes, and you can motivate people on your TikTok. You can create valuable content that can really help another person, when it comes to finance, when it comes to success, mindset. For the content, I repurpose content. Yes, sometimes you can repurpose the content I already have on other platforms, edit them, gather them into shorter, digestible clips. And yes, there's another program that TikTok has. It's called TikTok Creativity Program. They pay you for the views that you get. Yes, they pay you for the views. So there are lots of ways to actually monetize your crafts on social media, working from the comfort of your home, and not just that, doing something that you love. So guys, like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, guess what? You will never be broke again. And that is it, guys. Oh yes, I have a giveaway for you guys in today's video. So all you need to do is this, guys. First and foremost, we have launched our Telegram channel. So all you need to do is add 50 of your friends into my Telegram channel, into my Telegram community, and then you are on your way to getting my $100 cash gift. Yes, I'm going to send it to you anywhere you are in the world. All you need to do is copy the Telegram link and share it in your community, your church groups, mosque groups, your colleagues at work, your colleagues in school, your WhatsApp groups, your Facebook groups. Just share it. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And before you know it, in 5-10 minutes, you have added 50 people successfully. And then yes, come back to this video and let me know how many people you were able to add into this group. So that is it, guys. So I can't wait to give you guys this cash. So start applying now, and it's closing soon. At this point, please, if you have not introduced yourselves yet, please go ahead and do that right now. I really want to know you. I want to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say big thank you. Thank you to you guys from the depths of my heart. God bless you real good. And yes, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. And some of my Patreon members, you guys are amazing. If you're a Patreon member of this channel, I want to say big thank you. And if you would like to join my Patreon community, please find the link in the description and in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, do you know that you can get a free one-on-one consultation with me? We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. On this channel, it's all about helping you become the best version of yourself. And like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you'll never be broke again. And on this channel, you cannot be broke. Again, watching this video as a member of this channel, you don't have the permission to be broke again. So yes, we are here to help each other grow. We're here to help each other get all the way to the top. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you all so much for watching this video all the way till the very end. I'm your girl Maria. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am so proud of you. Do well to like today's video, and do well to share. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.